Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is ARPIHOVS, and if you're new here, I like to do fashion and beauty videos, and I'm trying to make a comeback to YouTube. It's been a very long time since I've actually posted a video. I think it's been over a year, which is not cute on my end, but I'm back. And the real reason why I stopped filming videos is because I actually got really lazy. I was finishing up school. I finally graduated university. I guess I'll give a little life update, what I've been doing with my life for the past year. Actually, if you would follow me on Instagram, that'd be great because I am active on there at all times, whether it's selfies of me, photos of my dog, or makeup videos. And I get a little bit political on there too, which I should be keeping my mouth shut, but clearly I can't. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a Fendi haul slash a Fendi Baguette unboxing slash review because we like to put slashes in everything here. If you're interested in watching this video of me showing you guys all the impulsive Fendi purchases I made, please continue watching. If not, I will see you in my next video. The reason why you're here, we're doing an unboxing video for a Fendi Baguette. I have had this bag on my mind for 3 years now, and we finally got the bag. I was gonna do an actual unboxing, but I decided to use the bag today for the first time. And I got this last month, so I can't really unbox it for you, but I'll show you guys the box it came in and the price and all. This is the bag it came in, just their classic yellow. And the box, if I can take it out, bigger than me, but it's this really cute yellow and black Fendi box. Okay, so the bag I have is this black Fendi Baguette. This is the medium size. And the scarf is sold separately. I bought this because I needed some color on the bag. And if anyone knows me, they know how many black bags I own. But for some reason I went with the black Fendi Baguette. And I also hate gold, which is really funny because I'm wearing a gold Fendi ring and my watch is two-toned. Hilarious, RP, good job doing things that you don't like. I'm trying to make changes up in here. But this is the scarf. I will try to link it below if I can. I know I didn't do a great job, so ignore that. This bag is super soft. I believe this is lamb leather. And it comes with a strap, so you can do a crossbody situation, again with the gold details. Let me see what the retail price of this is. Here's an envelope with the receipt in case I need to prove the authenticity to you. I purchased this on 7/14/2021 from the Las Vegas Shops at Crystal in the little boutique at Fendi. With tax, this came out to $3,565.54, which is a lot for a bag, I'm aware, but it's also designer, so don't judge me. But without tax, it's $3,290. The sales tax was $275. And it's kind of cheaper in Vegas versus LA, which is fantastic. This is a dust bag it came with. I always like to store my bags with their dust bags and then the extra tissue as well. I'm gonna pull up some details for this bag. So the Fendi Baguette comes in several different styles and colors. They have Napa leather, they have embroidered leather, they have canvas, they have different colors. I had to go with classic black. I really wanted to do brown, but I realized I'm a messy person and I'll probably get that bag stained somehow, get it very dirty, and we're not trying to go for that. But if you're curious about the prices versus the one I have, the mini one is $1,194, which is not that bad, but the bag is really small. It's literally like this big, and you can't really fit much into that, unfortunately. And they just have all these different, if I can, all these options, and I had to go with black, of course. So I said this is the medium size. It's actually large. And I told you the retail price is $3,590. The description of this bag is that it's made of black soft Napa leather with three-dimensional texture FF motif, which is this texture over here. I'm literally obsessed with this bag and the way it smells. Poor lamb, I'm so sorry. This bag has a front flap magnetic clasp. It's lined internal compartment with zip pocket and gold finish metalware, and it can be carried by hand or worn as a crossbody or as a shoulder bag. And like I said, the strap is detachable. And also you can detach the top handle as well if you don't want multiple straps. The length is 33 centimeters, height is 18 centimeters, depth is 5.5 centimeters. The shoulder strap is 91 centimeters. The shoulder strap is 43 centimeters and the bag weighs 63 kilograms. The composition is 100% lamb leather, inside is 61% cotton, 32% polyester, and 7% polyurethane. Polyurethane? Not saying that correctly. I'll show you guys some details. So this is the magnetic closure I was telling you guys about. It just pops open like this. Of course, I already got the inside of the bag dirty, just in true RP fashion. Why am I so overexposed right now? Sheesh. I'll just clean that later. But this is what the inside looks like. I'm going to empty it for you guys. I'll show you guys how much you can actually fit in here. That's a whole lot of stuff at the moment. I have gum in here. I have mascara. I have my favorite lip liner, which is Anywhere Caffeine from Makeup Forever. Invisalign tray little thing. I have a Dior lip gloss in here. This is the best lip gloss ever, by the way. This is the Hyaluronic Lip Plumper Lip Maximizer in the shade 100. 10 out of 10 recommend. Wearing it right now. And then for my lipstick that's in here is Oh She's Single by Patrick Ta. Love his formula. Love it. And then I also purchased a Fendi wallet because I was getting really tired of my other card holder. This is a regular card case, I think. I'll actually speak about this later, but it's zippered, so I carry my cash in there, and then I have all my cards on there, and you can attach this to a bag or to your car keys. Tweezers, because I always have tweezers on me. A hair tie. Eyelash glue, because you never know when your eyelashes are going to pop off. My car keys. And there is a pocket in here, so you can add whatever you'd like in there. And the inside, like I said, is made out of polyester and cotton. It's nice and soft, nice and sturdy. This bag is a little bit flimsy if you ask me, because as you can see, it doesn't have much structure to it. And the more you use it, the more it's going to age. And this comes off, as you can see. And I'll show you guys how you can hold this. And I'll also insert photos because I used the bag for the first time today and I'm literally obsessed and I need to redo the scarfing situation. So this would be held on your elbow if you want to hold it on your shoulder like this. I'm 5'4" and the bag isn't that long on me, thankfully, but this is as a crossbody. You can hold it like this without the extra strap on there. Wear it on your shoulder if you'd like. Just like that. Most of the time I'll be wearing this as a crossbody bag because, you know, crossbodies are cuter these days than massive totes. I guess while I'm here, I will speak about the scarf on my bag. Okay, let me get the prices from the wallet, the ring, and this reversible scarf. I can't find the exact one online, but this is the key case pouch. This is the Fizz Fendi key ring pouch with gusseted sides. Its reverse side has 4 card slots, as you can see right over here, and it has a zipper and a clip, and it's made with cruise leather. It's finished with embossed and hand-painted FF motif, as you can see right here, and gold finish hardware. And it's made in Italy, like everything else. And the retail price of that is $430. I believe I paid around like $475 with tax, if I'm not mistaken. So this isn't called a scarf, it's actually called a wrappy. It's a two-sided wrappy. It can be worn around the neck, knotted on the wrist, or used to accessorize a bag, which is exactly what I bought it for. It's made of beige silk twill printed with FF motif on both sides. The retail price of this is $220, which isn't too bad because it's silk. And finally, this ring. Fendi has such cute jewelry. I really want to get a pair of gold earrings. For a person who hates gold, I sure am collecting gold, although it's plated. This ring is called the F is Fendi ring. Ring with engraved decoration in the F is Fendi shape, made of metal with gold finish, decorated with natural crystals. And if the natural crystals pop off of this, I'm gonna pop off on Fendi. And I got the size medium, and for size reference, I'm a size 6 in rings. Right there. It has these little stones on there. Whatever. It's cute. Anyways, guys, that was my little comeback to YouTube, I guess. If you guys liked my Fendi haul, please give me a big thumbs up. But my next video will most likely be a review of the Goyard tote bag that I impulsively purchased, because we have an impulsive issue here. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!